Hey folks, I'm attorney Roger P. Foley. I want to talk to you about being positive. You've been charged with a crime. You are overwhelmed, right? You feel like the system is crunching you up and spitting you out, right? That's how you feel. You're arrested. You were treated like an animal. No one seems to care. How could this possibly happen? How could they treat a person like this? You sat in a jail cell. You sat in the back of a police car. You may have urinated yourself or defecated yourself. Your anxiety is so overwhelming. You're overwhelmed, right? Don't pick up a bottle. Don't pick up any Oxycontin. You smoke weed. Hopefully it's in a place that you're allowed to, right? But take a deep breath. Right now you're going through a tough time, and everyone understands that. But if you focus on the negativity, it's going to hurt you. It's going to hurt you inside. It's going to hurt your family. It's going to friends. Remember, no matter how difficult things are going at this particular point in your life, there is somebody, I don't care who you are, there is somebody that loves you and appreciates you, and you may not even be aware of it. So think about that. When you're going through that tough time, when you're sitting in your room crying, or you're sitting in your car and you're overwhelmed because how am I going to deal with this? The stigma. Oh my goodness, I have an ankle monitor on. Oh my God, I'm on pretrial release. Oh, I don't want to go to jail. I don't want to go to prison. What's gonna you take a deep breath. Other people have been through it before. If you hire an experienced attorney, he or she has gone through it before, and they're going to guide you, right? They're going to be a little bit of a hand holder. They're not going to be there. They can't take your calls 7 days a week. They can't explain it to you every which way, but they can answer your questions, explain the process to you, and be positive. There's no sense in telling, a client, oh, well, you're just going to prison. People aren't going to do that. Attorneys that are in the criminal arena, they're in it for a reason because they really want to help somebody. Trust me, folks, there's a lot more money to be made in other areas of law than there is in criminal. You might go, oh my goodness, my case is $10,000. Yeah, but if I was doing the same amount of work in civil, I'd probably be making, $200,000. So a lot of us, most of us, probably all of us are here because we want to be, right? We want to help people. We understand the discrepancies in the law. We understand that there are people that are innocent and end up in a prison cell. And we want to make sure that that doesn't happen to our clients, right? We understand that there are people who committed some crime, but they're charged so much higher than what they did. They just did a little thing here, but the police report is exaggerated and the system devours them. We want to make sure that that doesn't happen to our clients. Why? Because we care, we're passionate, right? We're compassionate because we understand what you're going through. We're hardworking, and we want to make a difference. We want to know that at the end of our day, that we made your life a little bit better or a lot better, right? Stay positive. Think about the positive things. If you're on house arrest, be appreciative that you're not sitting in a jail cell being woken up at 2 o'clock in the morning for bed check, right? If you have to call into SOR, well, you got to call in, but there's somebody else who is on an ankle monitor and they're on house arrest. There's so many things. You got your health, you got your family, you got your dog, you got your cat. Most of all, you got the man upstairs. Regardless of your religion, we all call that person God, right? Have some faith in him that he'll give you some guidance and some peace. Ask for the peace. Pray for the peace. Don't beat yourself up, right? Oh, Stop. Woosah, right? You're going to be okay. God is going to give you the ability to make the right choice, pick the right lawyer, to ask the right questions, and to guide you. Stay positive. Do not beat yourself up. You're not a terrible person. You're not junk. You're not garbage. You're a person. And somewhere, somebody loves you. I'm telling you, they love you, and you just may not realize it. You're worth something, so don't give up. Do not give up because you have criminal charges, whether it's a simple misdemeanor or you're facing life. Even if you're facing the chair, folks, right? If you're facing capital punishment, the death penalty, you can't beat yourself up, because the time that needs to be used, it needs to be used for a positive purpose. You need to be able to communicate. You need to be able to be relaxed. If you beat yourself up, things go worse. When you think negative, 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 things become negative, negative, negative. Stay positive, positive, positive. I'm attorney Roger P. Foley. If you have a criminal case and you need help, you call me and I'll be here to help you.